Samsung usually launches new Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip devices just in time for the fall season. The foldable phones are currently in their 4th generation and have comfortably replaced the once-reigning Galaxy Note series. Needless to say, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be next in line for the title of this year's most premium Samsung phone, following the top-of-the-line Galaxy S23 Ultra. Over time, Samsung has continuously refined its foldable phone formula. While the devices have more or less looked the same through the years, we've seen improvements in display tech, durability, new software tricks, and more. Of course, the internal hardware keeps getting obvious upgrades, such as more powerful SoCs and better cameras. This year, too, rumors are already painting the Galaxy Z Fold 5 as Samsung's most revered foldable ever. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 was released on August 10, 2022, which is consistent with Samsung's regular launch schedule. The Z Fold 3 was also unveiled in August, but closer to the end of the month. If Samsung follows its typical pattern, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will likely be revealed sometime in mid to late August this year. However, according to a May 3 report from the Elec, a well-known Korean source of Samsung-related news, the company may be considering an earlier launch by 2 or 3 weeks. This implies that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 could be launched in July instead of August. A separate Korean publication supports this claim, indicating a July 26 release date for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The phone's sales are anticipated to begin a week or two after the official announcement. We don't have a ton of official information about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. You can expect that to trickle in a couple of months before the expected August launch. However, we do have some rumors that point to multiple upgrades. In the past, Samsung's foldable phones with a booklet-style design have always had a noticeable gap between the two halves when folded. However, according to a recent report, this may not be the case with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5. The company is reportedly incorporating a teardrop-style hinge, similar to what has been seen on the Oppo Find M2 and the Motorola Razr 2022. This specific hinge design will allow the two sides of the display to close flat on top of each other when the device is folded, resulting in a more seamless and cohesive appearance. In addition to creating a more uniform appearance when folded, the reported teardrop-style hinge design for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is also expected to minimize the visibility of the display crease. Previous models, such as the Galaxy Z Fold 4, have had a noticeable crease in the center of the screen when folded. However, the new design will result in a teardrop shape when the phone is closed, resulting in a more gradual curve and less creasing. Samsung has previously filed a patent for a similar design a few years ago. In fact, Korean publication Naver also claims it saw a prototype of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 hinge at CES 2023. Samsung also confirmed the new hinge design to The Verge. It even shared some pictures of a new prototype display called the Flex In and Out that can fold both inwards and outwards. The company didn't say so, but since it already has the tech in place, such a screen could very well show up on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. If it does, it would be the biggest design change the line has seen since its inception. If you were anticipating a slidable or rollable form factor for Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5, you may be disappointed as recent reports suggest no such design is in the works. However, it's still early to make definitive predictions about what Samsung might unveil with their latest foldable phone. Additionally, with Google rumored to enter the foldable phone market with the Pixel Fold, Samsung may be motivated to push the envelope with their design to remain competitive. Ultimately, time will tell what innovative features and designs Samsung and other tech giants will bring to the table in the foldable phone space. Display insider Ross Young claimed on April 5 that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 would be available in beige, black, and light blue color options. Samsung will likely rename these colors to cream, phantom black, and blue. However, Young added that other colors could join the party as well. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 was powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, but there is currently no Plus variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. However, Qualcomm is expected to announce it around May of this year, and if so, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is likely to use the updated SoC. However, Yogesh Brar has disputed these claims and instead suggests that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will feature a camera system similar to that of the Z Fold 4, comprising a 50MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 10MP telephoto camera. Brar also mentioned that the phone may come with new image sensors, though it remains unclear whether this applies to all camera lenses or specific ones. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Fold 4 were priced at $1,799 when they launched. We don't expect Samsung to drop the price lower for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. We also don't expect Samsung to price the new foldable higher than its predecessors, especially given the current state of the global economy. It would be unwise for Samsung to increase smartphone prices and make its flagship foldable even more unreachable than it already is for most folks. Unfortunately, there are no pricing leaks for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 so far. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.